Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling what you need and taking the first action immediately. Lay the bench block on a stable surface and tape the metal blank so it won't shift. Clean the surface with alcohol to remove oils. This helps impressions bite. Pick a simple letter or symbol and hold the stamp perpendicular to the blank, firm and steady. Use one light tap to check alignment, then proceed with decisive strikes once the mark is centered. Doing this prevents crooked impressions and saves rework. Once you've checked alignment, focus on consistent technique. This is the critical middle step. Hold the stamp at a right angle and strike with steady, repeatable force. Think rhythm, not strength alone. If the impression is light, make successive strikes in the same spot rather than swinging harder. For multi-character words, stamp left to right and realign each stamp before striking. Make sure the bench block stays immobile and use a gloved hand to secure the blank so each letter is even and legible. After stamping, clean the piece and add contrast so the impression reads clearly. You can darken letters with liver of sulfur or a paint wash, then wipe excess and polish gently. File any sharp edges and debur with 400-600 grit for a finished look. If you get a mistrike, don't panic. Try light correction taps if the error is small. Otherwise, consider filling and restamping in a different area or trimming the blank for a new layout. One quick fix often saves the whole piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.